So let's take a look at the handlebar assembly. Now the handlebars came already with this kit. The front and rear brake levers were on there already. On the other handle over there, the light switch was already installed and the hand grip over there. But now over here, let's focus on this. We have the engine kill switch here, which we'll be putting on. We'll be removing the engine kill switch on the actual Predator engine that we're going to put on here, and we'll just be using this one. So simply enough, just need a Phillips screwdriver and slide this onto the handle. Position it about where you want to be and tighten it up. There are 2 screws on the back that help tighten it up. Now don't kill it because it's just plastic. So, alright, and then for now I'm just going to take the wire and tuck it behind here. Alright, so we're going to assemble the throttle handle here, and this is what came in the kit. We've got basically 3 pieces. We've got the cable itself and these 2 pieces. So the first thing I'm going to do is to take a Phillips screwdriver, and we're going to take these 2 screws off the top. A little bit more. Okay. Now inside here, don't lose this, is this plastic piece with a curve. Set that aside for the moment, and let's take a close look at the cable here. So this is the cable. You know, it goes in and out as you throttle up and down. So take the end with the barrel nut. Let me show you the other end. The other end has this kind of a bend, and there's nothing on the end of the cable. So you could theoretically pull this out if you needed to. But let's go back to this barrel end. So you're going to take this piece that we just pulled apart, and we're going to slide the barrel end into here, and I'm not going to worry about the positioning of this nut right now. Just get it started. And then take this cable and basically push it through till that barrel end comes out. Now, then we're going to take this plastic piece and we're going to slide it back where it came from. Press it down in there. Okay. It's going to go further down. But here's where things get a little tricky. Now we're going to take the handle here, and you'll see there's a hole here and a groove right here. What you're going to do is take that barrel of that cable, slip it in a hole, and then the cable rides in that groove. So put it in place like so. Take this piece that you took off earlier, make sure everything sits properly. Okay. Let's get that started, just to hold it together. Not tighten it up just yet. There we go. My holes are not lining up. There we go. There you go. When everything moves freely, then we can tighten this up. Snug that up. And you'll see what's going on here as we're doing this. All right, that's what we want. So we've now assembled the throttle assembly. Let's go put it on the bike. Alright, so we're going to see if we can just take the throttle assembly here and just slide it right over the handlebar. I'm going to try to leave it so that this top piece sits up here like this. I don't want it to sit, this is on my own personal preference. I don't want it to sit down like this, because if it does end up getting wet or out in the rain, I don't want rain sitting on here. So I'd rather have it sit up here so that the cable rolls off the top. So let's see if it'll just slip on. Well, it won't, because this is too tight. I need to loosen this up. All right, I do see a potential problem if I let it sit here. It's going to be covering the brake fluid reservoir. So I think what I'm going to do is just pivot it back a little bit, and then we'll tighten it up right there. Oh, sorry for bumping the camera. Snug it up good. All right.